Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for students. So if you want help with studying, homework, or research, this is a tool worth checking out. First, open the Perplexity app or website and sign into your account. Now type a question into the search bar. It can be a homework problem, a topic you need explained, or something you're studying for an exam. You can also upload a photo of your homework, worksheet, notes, or textbook and ask Perplexity to explain it or help solve it. Perplexity will give you an answer along with source links so you can see where the information came from. You can also ask it to summarize chapters, create study notes, explain difficult concepts, or even generate quiz questions to help you practice. If something doesn't make sense, just ask a follow-up questions and have it explain the topic in similar words. It's a great way to learn faster and save time when researching for assignments and projects. Just make sure to review the information and use your own words when submitting schoolwork. And that's how students can use Perplexity AI effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.